guys, what's up? Today I'm here with Ali Grace. Today I got a drawstring bag with the hair, the wig. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So I have a pamphlet here which have, like, you know, social media information, you know, all those stuff, hair care, all of that. Then I got a wig cap. Then I have the wig. And lastly, I got a pair of lashes, 3D mink eyelashes. So I'm happy about that. I'll definitely add this to my collection. So you guys, this is a 13 by 4 lace front straight wig that I'm working with today. It is 26 inch long, so we're working with some inches. It's nice and silky. I definitely love that. It's a natural color. And let me show you guys the lace. Let me show you the construction of the wig. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and it is pre-plucked, so always a plus when you get your wig pre-plucked. I think I'm going to do a center part with this today as well. It's nicely layered. Am I getting any shedding? No, I'm not getting any shedding, but you know, don't feel alarmed when you get shedding. It's normal. It's just that if you get it very excessive, that's how you know if the hair is good or bad. So for right now, I haven't gotten any strand from it. So yeah, and it's nice and full too. I really like that. So I always like my wigs from Ali Grace here, always giving good quality. So now I've shown you guys that, let me go ahead and jump into application.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, cause you caught it. You caught it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Meet under the street light at the so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Meet under the mezzanine just so that I could show you. You're golden. Hey, you're golden. You're golden. Hey, you're golden. Golden.
Felt like doing full-on edges, so that's what I did. And now I'm gonna go in with my wax stick to get the front flat. I'm gonna do a center part, a nice center part. So that's the vibes. Have my wax stick.
Golden, honestly, you know it. Meet under the street light at the so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Meet under the mezzanine just so that I could show you. You're golden. Hey, you're golden. You're golden. You're golden. Golden. You're golden.
It is so nice. It reaches me all the way down to my waist. So yep, it's a vibe. It is a vibe. Loving this. Shout out to Ali Grace hair with the sleekness. I love it. Nice center part. You know, it's really, really cute. You know, I love putting one side behind my ear like that. So yeah, that's the vibes for today's hair look. I hope you guys enjoyed, you know, or like this hair look. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Yep. So as usual, guys, the specifications to this wig will be listed in my description box. So please go ahead and check that out. Go ahead and shop this wig on aligrace.com. The direct link will be in my description box as well. So check that out. Support your girl. If I do have any discount codes, it will also be listed. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's hair look. Go ahead, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and also check me out on my vlog channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.